In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Google Slides projects into Canva. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Slides. Let's open a document. Suppose this is the slide project that you need to import into Canva. In the title bar, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Download. In the Download menu, select the file as PPTX. This will download the file as a PowerPoint presentation. Wait for it to download. Now let's go to Canva. In the top navigation bar, click on Upload. Click on Upload Files. Select the presentation file that you downloaded just now. Wait for the uploading process to end. By following these uploading steps, you can also upload your PowerPoint presentations. Click on the project. Here you can see that we have imported a Google Slides project into Canva successfully. Now you can edit or change the elements as you like in Canva.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.